it's been really horrible, honestly. It's um, it's hard to believe that things could change as quickly as they did. And of course, that's what he said was going to happen. And, and we were all sort of terrified that that's what was going to happen, but now we're sort of in it, And whatever, we'll work through it. And, politics has its ups and downs, and, we will. A lot of us will probably be in court a lot more than we were before, suing the government and fighting against these really bad policies.
And overwhelmed with a lot of things. I mean, I was actually looking again last night into seeing a counselor again, because this is really becoming, and I have over the years gone to counseling to deal with sort of a lot of the side effects of this. And part of the thing that I've had to have counseling for is the fact that I can't bring myself to charge these people, and that I barely make any money, and that it's become a real struggle. And obviously we make enough to make sure they get paid first, but I get whatever's left, and that's not always easy.
It's been very stressful, but I try to just keep plugging away and doing as much as I can, because I feel like now more than ever immigrants really need help to try to get legal status if they're able to, so that they can live without the fear of having their families torn apart.
I think after September 11th, it was quite similar, honestly, and the same sort of racist and religious discrimination type things were going on back then. Back after September 11th, when I was in law school, there was a lot of sort of arresting of folks simply because they were Muslim. They implemented this entire registration program for Muslims that resulted in a lot of folks being put in removal proceedings who wouldn't have otherwise been put in removal proceedings.
I'm just not sure. We'll see. I think I need to try to get more mental health support if I'm going to keep doing deportation defense, because full-time deportation defense is a pretty hard place to be right now. So caseload has certainly increased. The number of detentions has increased, and there's just a lot to process for us. And I'm getting more and more worried about the future for the next few years, how it's going to look and what's actually going to happen. But we're just trying to take it one day at a time.